Good morning, grade 10. Do you remember from the previous session we talked about Pearson's correlation coefficient, which is R, and we took its formula. And now we will have another formula. It's called Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. You're going to use this formula to find the correlation coefficient, but using the rank of X and rank of Y. Let's see this formula. Here it is. R equals 1 minus 6 times the sum of difference squared, d squared. You will know now what is the d, over n, the number of values, multiplied by n squared minus 1. What is the d? The d represents the difference between the ranks of each corresponding value of x and y. It means we're going to find the rank of x and the rank of y. Let's see an example. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient of Spearman. And this time we have the formula of Spearman. So we have two formulas: Pearson's correlation coefficient and Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Here we have the values of x and y. To find the rank or the correlation coefficient using the rank, you have 3 steps. Step 1, you have to arrange the value of x ascendingly in order from the small to the big. So you have 4, 6, 7, 7, 8, 10. Here we have the order from the small to the big. And now identify the rank of each one. The rank of 4 here, this is the first one, so its rank is 1. And the rank of 6 is number 2. What about if you have same values? This is the third one and this is the fourth one, but they are same. So in this case, you have to find the mean for the other ranks. How? As we said, this is third and this is fourth. Add them together, 3 plus 4 divided by 2 to get the mean of them. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 divided by 2, it's 3.5. So the rank of the value 7 is 3.5. Again, 4, the rank of 4 is number 1, 6 is number 2. When you see 7 or any repeated number, you have to find the mean of its rank. So the rank of 7 is 3.5 and also 7, 3.5. After that, we have the rank of 8. Continue after 4. This is the 5th and this one is 6th. This is step 1. Step 2, we do the same with the y values. Step 2, also arrange the values of y ascendingly. We have here the values of y. You're going to arrange them ascendingly from the small to the big. 5, 7, 8, and we have also here repeated value 9, 9, and 10. And now let's write the rank of y. The value 5, its rank is 1. 7, its rank is 2. This is the second number or the second value. The third value 8, its rank is 3. 9 here we have repeated value. So you're going to write here this rank 4, 5, and add them together divided by 2 to find its mean, like this. 4 plus 5 divided by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 give me 4.5. So the rank of value 9, the rank of value 9 is 4.5, and this one also 4.5. Continue the ranks. The value 10, its rank is 6. After finding the rank of x and the rank of y, step 3, you're gonna form a table consists of 6 columns. Column for x, column for y, and the third and fourth column for the rank of x, this one, and rank of y. Let's see. Step 3, we're gonna form the table which consists of 6 columns as we see here. First column for x values without arranging. Column y, the values of y. And now we're gonna write the rank of x. We have the rank of x when x equals 10. As we see here, 10, its rank is 6. So you're gonna write in the table the rank of 10, its rank is 6. And do the same with the rest of the values. The rank of 7, 3.5, and you remember that we have repeated 7 here, so the rank of 7 in both of them, 3.5, 3.5. The rank of 8, 5. The rank of 6, 2, and 4 was the first rank. Do the same with y values. You're gonna write the rank of y in this column. Y here, 5, its rank is 1. 8, its rank 3. 7, its rank 2. And the 9, we found the mean of the ranks. We got it 4.5. And the rank of 10 was 6. After finding the rank of x, after listing the rank of x and rank of y, now we're gonna find D, which is the difference between rank of x minus rank of y. We're gonna find the difference between them. Rank of x minus rank of y. 6 minus 1, the difference will be 5. 3.5 minus 3 give me 0.5. 5 minus 2 give me 3. 3.5 minus 4.5, negative 1. 2 minus 4.5, negative 2.5. 1 minus 6 give me negative 5. This is called the difference between the ranks. And we need in the formula d squared, the difference to the power of 2. It's easy to find it by multiplying the difference by itself. 5 times 5 give me 25. 0.5 to the power of 2, or 0.5 times 0.5 give me 0.25, and so on. Make power of 2 to the difference to get d squared. We need for the formula only the sum of d squared. You add all these values to get the sum. The sum of d squared in this example, 66.5. And last step, you're gonna use the rule, Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. This is its formula. And now you're going to substitute each value from the table. We have 1 minus 6 times sum of d squared, this one, 66.5, substituted. And n is the number of values. The number of values we have here, how many ordered pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many values do you have in x? In x, we have 6 values. So n is 6. Multiplied by n squared, which is 6 squared, give me 36. 36 minus 1, which is 35. So you have n 6, and this bracket, its answer is 35. 6 times 35. And now use your calculator to calculate this correlation coefficient, and the final answer, you got it, negative 0.9. And you can now tell me what is the type of this correlation coefficient. Yes, you have negative value. The type is inverse correlation. And now, note that Pearson's correlation coefficient is more accurate than the Spearman's correlation coefficient because it deals with the real values, not with the ranks of these values. Thank you for watching. See you next conference, inshallah. Bye bye.